Khalida Zia in Bangladesh. Rishabh, thank you very much for that. Let's talk about the shocker that is now coming in from a Samajwadi Party Neta after Mamata Banerjee, especially when it comes to linking Pulwama attack to elections, claiming that Pulwama attack was actually carried out by the BJP, saying that this entire attack, this terrorist attack, he has said that it was carried out to actually mislead the people. Now, when it comes to addressing a special camp for SIR, here is Samajwadi Party MP Sanatan Pandey, who has been claiming that Pulwama attack was carried out by the BJP and the Prime Minister for elections to mislead the people of the country.
पुलवामा किसी विदेशी साजिश की तब नहीं हुआ था। पुलवामा भारत के प्रधानमंत्री और उनके सहयोगियों के द्वारा कूटनीति के तहत आपको भरमाने के लिए किया गया था।
Well, Adib, such allegations have been made before, but are elections happening for the first time in the country with such kind of statements that have been coming in, especially when it comes to a terror attack where several people unfortunately lost their lives?
Well, definitely, Amita, see, Samajwadi Party MP Sanatan Pandey has stoked a major controversy. He's saying that to mislead the people in during the 2019 elections, Prime Minister and BJP orchestrated the Pulwama attack in which more than 40 CRPF jawans were killed. Now, the Samajwadi Party MP is claiming that it was done by the BJP to mislead the people. In fact, he also went on to say that the nation were in favor of the India bloc. They were ready for a change, but to change that narrative, BJP orchestrated such an attack. Now, the BJP has hit out at Samajwadi Party, calling the statement given by Sanatan Pandey as an anti-national remark. But Sanatan Pandey yesterday in Balia, while he was addressing a special camp for the SIR, made these controversial remarks where he's saying that BJP orchestrated the Pulwama attack and in which more than 40 jawans of CRPF were killed, Amita.
Right, but isn't it also a question when it comes to the morale of our own defense forces there, Adib? Because time and again such unfortunate statements have been made by our netas there, you know, seeking for evidence, seeking for the sabut there, and now questioning as far as when it comes to the entire Pulwama attack that was carried out, which several of our brave soldiers were martyred. Let's just listen in again to the statement coming in, and a very controversial one from a Samajwadi Party leader.
पुलवामा किसी विदेशी साजिश की तब नहीं हुआ था। पुलवामा भारत के प्रधानमंत्री और उनके सहयोगियों के द्वारा कूटनीति के तहत आपको भरमाने के लिए किया गया था।
So what about the surgical strikes? What about when it comes to yet another misadventure by Pakistan which happened in Pahalgam? What about Operation Sindoor? Are these also now being linked to elections there? Time and again such reactions that come in from the opposition front that actually questions when it comes to our defense forces there on the action that has been taken and punitive action that has been taken on ground with evidence, and also statements that have come in from the Pakistan side in which we have carried out surgical strike, precision strikes that has been carried out. Operation Sindoor followed up post the attack that happened in Pahalgam, but such kind of statements that question when it comes to the operations that has been carried out, anti-terror operations that has been carried out, everything that is now linked to the elections there. Here is the Samajwadi Party leader there who seems to be questioning when it comes to the Pulwama attack in which more than 40 of our brave jawans were martyred, saying that it happened at the hand of the BJP. It was orchestrated to win the elections.
पुलवामा किसी विदेशी साजिश की तब नहीं हुआ था। पुलवामा भारत के प्रधानमंत्री और उनके सहयोगियों के द्वारा कूटनीति के तहत आपको भरमाने के लिए किया गया था।
Well, the BJP is now taking up this issue in a big way, going after the Samajwadi Party after the Samajwadi Party Neta has linked the Pulwama terror attack to elections. This is how the BJP is now reacting.
After Mamata Banerjee gave clean sheet to Pakistan on Pahalgam, now it is turn of Samajwadi Samajwadi Party MP says that Pulwama was not done by Pakistan, it was done by India. He blames India and Indian forces. This is not the first time Samajwadi Party has done this. They've done this before also. Ram Gopal Yadav has given clean chit to Pakistan on Pulwama. They have released terrorists and the High Court had to stay it. They've given clean chit to Simi. They have given clean chit to Batla terrorists. They are the ones who even in Pahalgam give a clean chit to Pakistan. Congress also has done the same. 2611, Samjhauta, Pulwama. They are the ones who have given clean chit to Pakistan. So in this entire India alliance, Sena ka apman, Pakistan ko mano bhaijan, Atankiyon ko mano bhaijan, this has become their pehchan. We have seen that how all of them in Modi Virod, BJP Virod, go and stand with terrorists, go and stand with Pakistan and give clean chit to Pakistan. This is their charitra. They doubt surgical strike, Balakot airstrike and Operation Sindoor, but they give clean chit to Pakistan.
Well, clean chit to Pakistan, that seems to be the claim that has been made by the BJP there, taking on as far as when it comes to the opposition reactions that have been coming in, questioning when it comes to the intent of the government and linking terror attacks to elections. This has happened on part of the TMC and the Samajwadi Party as well.
বাংলায় শুধু অনুপ্রবেশকারী, কাশ্মীরে নাকি নেই। তাই যদি সত্যি হয় বন্ধু, একটা কথার উত্তর চাই, পহেলগাঁও তাহলে কি আপনারা করলেন? যত দোষ বাংলা, এই রাজনৈতিক হ্যাংলা, রাজনৈতিক হ্যাংলার দল আগের বার এসে বলেছিল ইসবার 200 পার হয়ে গেছে পোগার পার, আর এবার করছে এসআইআর। এত মানুষের মৃত্যু, এখনো পর্যন্ত 58 থেকে 60 জন মানুষ মারা গেছে।
So all of these issues now being linked. As far as infiltrators or Ghuspetiyas are concerned, we heard that coming from the Union Home Minister Amit Shah himself, vowing if the BJP comes to power, the Ghuspetiyas would be removed. Now elections are being linked to terror attacks. In the meantime, let's get you the pictures that are now coming in from Ram Mandir